Hello everyone! Today, I will show you how to quickly and easily create a beautiful picture for a graduation from a college or university. You will need the PHOTOROOM app. Open this app. Scroll down until you find Graduation. Click on that link. There are several free templates for this category. If you wish, you can purchase the Pro version of the app, which offers many other functions and templates. I will choose this template to create an image identical to the one at the beginning of this video. Now, click on the Replace button. Select your photo from the gallery. Once you've chosen the desired photo, click on it. Ensure your photo is in portrait mode, similar to the image you see on the screen. Confirm your choice by clicking here. The AI filter has successfully replaced the image. The picture looks pretty good. I will enhance the image by adding some lighting with the Light On option. I'll also add a shadow by clicking on Shadow. And here, you can further edit your picture using a plethora of available tools. Once done, click on the Done button. Export the image in PNG format and save it to your device. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.